So passion fruit and the chocho. Guys, you know passion fruit, that's it right there. See right there, guys? That's passion fruit. Give it the best juice. Lovely juice. I want to show you guys the chocho.
So many sour flies.
I think in America they call it chayote, something like that.
That's a lot of sour flies.
Yes, they're sour fly, Joe, because fruits and stuff. You know, in the gully. There's any chocho on it there?
Can sour flies hit you?
Wow. Oh, I see one.
So this is passion.
That's the passion fruit, guys. You can use it to make nice passion fruit juice. Lovely. You know, we usually do this, especially on a Sunday. We make passion juice. It's really good. You know, it's sour though.
And this is the chocho.
Wow, look at that. You can't pull over. Oh, one second.
Okay.
Wow, I see like 3 of them.
And them are gross. See them?
Oh, and pick and eat. What's the man? Real thing. Maybe can't pick one. You can't go down there. Joe, where are you going?
Okay. See 2 of them maybe.
Okay.
They're gonna go.
Oh, wow.
See that mount over there?
Wow.
This is the red color of it.
Yeah, man, let's see it.
Watch out for that plant because it's
So beautiful. Wow, look at that. Nice color, Lou. Nice red color, Lou. Daddy just gone left with so. Guys, see, I suit up in my sneakers and my pants. And we're going up the bush to see if we find any jackfruit. What's that? What kind of bark?
Frozen.
Oh, this good for boil.
Never boil it.
It's on what, the banana?
Banana.
Okay. You see, guys, the bark from the soursop tree and the green banana, which is a young banana, boiled together is very good to drink. It helps with the nerve. Yeah, man. You got the one, let me see. These are the real farmer, guys. Man in an element. Watch there. Watch there. Cocoa or Edo. It young?
Well, them actually should have dig already so then start grow back.
Oh. Guys, look at this. Here in Jamaica, you get organic. That is real, coming from the earth. No additive, nothing like that. Only the rain and the beautiful sun that gives it its nourishment. You know, in the States, it can be a bit pricey. Roasting it or put it in soup, it's delicious.
Those are always in Bravo.
I know, right? Now my husband will demonstrate how to replant the cocoa tree.
I'm plant it, but this is how you're gonna.
Yes, farmer. Farmer B.
I know what the B stands for.
Yeah. Nice and healthy cocoa. Guys, look at this. Freshly.
Whoa!
Dig from the earth.
Look what I found.
Look what Jerry found. Jerry found a
this dirt?
shell.
Where's
We call
the
this
well
black
going?
loam.
Beautiful dirt.
The Americans call it soil.
They call it soil, Josh, in America.
Called soil.
Okay, man. I must say, and I'll always say, Jamaica is a blessed island. Seeing this makes me just want to come back to my homeland, the beautiful Jamaica land we love.
On the show.
And next year, we got cocoa again right there.
Oh.
The cocoa is a 1 year thing.
Oh, so it comes every year?
No, it takes 1 year to grow.
1 year for grow? Whoa. Wow, I did not know that. Edos/cocoa takes 1 year to mature for eating. I didn't know. As much as I was brought up in Jamaica, I did not know. Amazing. All right.
It's about to go down.
We're just trotting. Whoa! Baby, not fun. Jerry, you don't see a man around me. Let me drop.
I thought mommy fell on the tree.
I did fail. Thank you, Bobby. Murder.
I thought.
Let me drop. Oh, this. And this, Bobby. How the first ever. Oh my goodness. I tumbled down a while ago. Daddy said the jackfruit tree, the right side now, guys. And about 10 minutes or more, I walk. Jamaica, that's how we give direction and location. It's right there, so. Right over there, so. Not go, so. Prepare for walk. Hills and valley. Trust me. Right, this way. Okay, I think we reach. Why? I'm afraid to drop. Why jackfruit tree that? Are they yam? No, sir. Sophie tired. I ain't gonna lie. Sophie is tired. Oh my goodness. Oh. They insist that they want to come. They insist they must come, so. Okay, go ahead. Oi! Why? Help! Help! Oi! Ah! Come in, baby, come in. I'm tired, me now, right? Come be still, I go. Why? What's that, baby? What, mango up here too? What? Guys, you know, this is our last day. Well, last evening. Because tomorrow them time we'll be up on a plane. We'll leave already. Tomorrow them time, yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oy. Honestly, guys. And I'll reach the jackfruit tree and climb it. Look at him over there, guys. You see him in that tree. Oh, finally reach. Oh my goodness. Me don't know me I go back down. You right, baby? Oh my. They look green. Guys, come here, sweet. That's good. But anyways, guys, we didn't get no jackfruit. I guess our nose was deceiving us. So I'll be coming back off the tree. You know what this is called? Bar. That's why you have to come to the bush with a long pants. See that? Bar all over my foot, all over my pants. Really feels so good. No gym can do this to me, honestly. This is the real gym. You call this the wood gym or the bush gym. What? Oh, the only way the bag bring. Nice mango. Look at this, guys. Nice airy mango, stringy. Beautiful.
I see Aiden. He's coming.
Jerry, open the bag for mommy.
Delicious stringy mangoes. Wow, guys, when I tell you this is my kind of life, this is my kind of life, the country life.
Nice mango, guys. Look at that. Right. Nice mangoes.
So guys, as you can see right here, Obi was just demonstrating a very easy way to carry the breadfruit from the farm or bush. Okay, so he's just using, you know, this whisk that they call hog whisk, right? So this is a very strong whisk, and you can use it, you know, to carry stuff, you know, in bundle. As you can see right there, he's putting the breadfruits together, you know, and yeah, trust me, this whisk is really strong. Yeah.
Daddy a real farmer, you know, man. Man, me proud of you, Cecil. Boom. You're bad like what, man? Yeah, man. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Come on, carry the breadfruit. Look at that, guys. We're gonna take the breadfruit home just like this. Wow.
One of them is burned.
Yeah, baby, that's alright. Come. Follow daddy.